Hi guys, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful stitch. So let's start it. Start the slip knot and chain as many as you want. Crochet 3 rows of single crochet at the same time. Insert your hook into the second chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next 2 chains and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook into these 2 loops and pull up loop. Insert your hook into these 2 loops and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 3 times and repeat. Insert your hook into these 2 loops and pull up loop. Insert your hook into these 2 loops and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 3 times. Keep going. At the end, chain 3, turn your work, yarn over, insert your hook into first stitch and pull up loop, stretch it. Yarn over, insert your hook into the space under the single crochet and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the space under the single crochet and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Keep going. At the end of the row, chain 3, turn your work, insert your hook into the second chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the third chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the first stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 3 times. Insert your hook into these loops and pull up loop. Insert your hook into these loops and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 3 times. Keep going. I finished these 3 rows at the same time and repeat row 4. Continue until you reach the desired size. Thank you for your time. I hope you like it. See you soon.